In this video I'm going to show you a method for getting the perimeter of an irregular shape, like the shape shown here. Just to remind you before we start, perimeter means getting the length of all the edges and adding them all together. So for example, I could start at this corner here, get the length along the top, length along the side, and so on, and go back to where I started. If I add all those together, that's what we call the perimeter. Now, to get the perimeter of this object, it helps to visualize it in a slightly different way. And the first thing we notice is, if you look at, there's one side we don't have the length of, between these 2 points here. And what we can do is visualize in a slightly different way. We can visualize this side as, if we move it up to the top, we still haven't changed the length. So if we get the length at the top, that's still the length of the missing side. Likewise, we can take this side here of length 8 and move it out to the edge. That's obviously still 8. So I've rearranged the shape slightly without actually altering any of the lengths. That's basically what I've done. And we've really turned an irregular object into a rectangle. And the lengths are still the same, so if I get the perimeter of this rectangle now, that's the same as the perimeter of the original object. And the perimeter of a rectangle is straightforward. It just means getting the length of the bottom and the top, which are the same. They're both 15, so 15 plus 15. And now we can see that the two sides are 14 each, because we get 8 plus 6. So our total perimeter is bottom and top 15 plus 15, left and right 14 plus 14. Add all those together and you get a total perimeter of 58, which is also the perimeter of the original irregular shape.